Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by SUCHITA. Je m'appelle SUCHITA, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video we are going to look at the verb savoir, which means to know. Before we start with this video, I would like to introduce you to our website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find the recorded courses for all your French language needs. DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF examination, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students and college students. So hurry up and check it out. Allez, on commence avec le verbe savoir, savoir, which means to know. Now, looking at the verb à l'infinitive, looking at the infinitive form of the verb, it seems that it is ending with IR. So it might be possible that it belongs to the group 2 verb, but no. It's a total irregular verb. The conjugation is totally different, so it belongs to group 3 verb. Okay, it's total irregular verb, and the conjugation is also typical. You need to memorize it just like that, and the best way to memorize the verb is to write it on daily basis. The more you write, the more your mind absorbs the things. All right, so for now, do not note it down for now, just repeat after me. Répétez après moi. Allez-y. Je sais avec S. Tu sais encore avec S. Il sait avec T. Elle sait encore avec T, parce que il, elle, on, they all have the same pronunciation also, and I should say that these three always have the same conjugation as well. Okay, il sait, elle sait, on sait. Alors, répète. Je sais, tu sais, il sait, elle sait, on sait. Allez, pluriel. Nous savons. Nous savons. Vous savez. Vous savez. Nous savons. Vous savez. Ils savent. Il ne faut pas prononcer ENT. Vous n'allez jamais prononcer ENT. You never have to pronounce ENT in case of verbs. Ils savent. Elles savent. Encore avec ENT. I know it is typical to conjugate the verb, this particular verb, but there is no way out. You need to memorize it. Okay? Il faut répéter. Je sais. Tu sais. Il sait. Elle sait. On sait. Nous savons. Vous savez, ils savent, et elles savent. Now, here I've written few examples in front of you that we are going to solve together, okay? I've written in English and we are going to see how do we write them in French. Before that, let's just revise once more the conjugation of the verb savoir. Je sais, tu sais, il sait avec T, elle sait, on sait, nous savons, vous savez, ils savent et elles savent. Allez, let's just write. I know. Je sais. Followed by the verb in the infinitive form. So, to swim in French is known as nager. Alors, je sais nager. One verb is already conjugated, so the next verb will not be conjugated. Alors, je sais nager. Deuxième, you know when does he arrive? So since it's a question, you can write it by the inversion form as well. That's your wish. You can write it by intonation, you can write it by est que, you can write it by the inversion form. I am using the inversion form, that depends upon you. So I'm basically writing, do you know when does he arrive? Allez, you know. Tu sais when. C'est le mot interrogatif. Tu sais quand il il arrive. Tu sais quand il arrive. Now, if I use it by the inversion form, I would say, sais-tu quand il arrive? Do you know when does he arrive? Sais-tu quand il arrive? Allez, troisième. She knows how to speak in French. Allez, vous allez écrire dans vos cahiers. You'll write it in your notebooks right now. Allez. Elle. She knows. Elle sait. To speak in French. To speak. Parler. Elle sait parler, just like this, huh? After the verb savoir. If you have the next verb, then that will be in the infinitive form. Elle sait parler en français. Voilà. Elle sait parler en français. Now the next one, we know. For we, you can also write on sait, mais vous pouvez aussi écrire nous savons, ça dépend de vous. Allez, par exemple, je écris on sait. You can also write on sait, nous savons, that depends upon you. On sait que, we know that. On sait que, you are. You are, c'est le verbe être. So, on sait que tu es in the house. À la, très bien. Mais vous êtes très intelligent. Allez, on sait que tu es à la maison. Je sais nager. Tu sais quand il arrive ou sais-tu quand il arrive. Ou vous pouvez aussi dire, est-ce que tu sais quand il arrive? Elle sait parler en français. Savoir plus le verbe à l'infinitif. Elle sait parler en français. Et on sait ou nous savons que tu es à la maison. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for regular updates and reminders, do not forget to press the bell icon. Just let me know in the comment section below on which topics would you like me to make the videos next. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.